Hey YouTube and possibly Facebook, because I'm gonna put this on Facebook. It's me again. And on the last video, or last few videos, I said that I'm gonna make a report about the local science fiction convention called Istrakon. Istrakon is actually a convention held in city of Pazin in the region of Istra in Croatia. So yeah, and I went there because I've been going there for the last let's say 15-ish years. I know that's a long time. And I kind of held lectures sometimes over there, but mostly I helped my friends with being a host to those shows, because I have a tendency just to yammer on and on, as you can see from all of my videos. What was Istrakon 2017 like? It was awesome. It was just great. I mean, I like it very much, and I have a lot of friends down there. So hello to everybody in Pazin. I went down there with my friends from Zagreb, and we had quite a ride. So on day one, it was very exciting. We got, first of all, on our way there, which was a bit weird, we were just three guys cruising around in this kind of small European car, and we got stopped by the police and searched for drugs. That's a nice way to start it, but I don't know why. What made us so? Maybe we were grinning or laughing too much, so possibly that was the reason. I could not tell you. And it was really funny to watch those guys kind of dig through all the little small pouches and bags and just go, "Oh, what are these? These are drugs." And I said, no, they're dice for a game." "Ah, but what are these? Must be drugs." "No, they are small miniatures for the game." "And what are all these books and you have?" "And oh, yes, well, they're actually for the games." And we explained it to them, and kind of way just went on our merry way. But kudos to those guys, because they were really professional, and we were out of there in longer than a jiffy. But also, I would like to say sorry to my friend Tom, who was driving the car, and I'm really sorry about carrying a lot of stuff in my bag that the police just had to open and check through all of my weird stuff. And now I'm glad that I didn't bring more weird stuff. But okay, and that was okay. So on the first day of Istrakon, we just got there, and then, yeah, just seeing a lot of old friends, talking with them, and just reconnecting them, and having a couple of drinks. And we went to an excellent lecture, which was called, I'm just going to read it from here just not to get it wrong, Physics of the Brain and Virtual Reality, by Professor Davor Horvatic, who explained in his lecture what are the physics inside the brain, and how do we perceive reality, and what is actually happening with synapses in the brain, and how do we perceive things around us. It was very, very interesting. So yeah, and I enjoyed that quite a lot. And after that, we just went outside, and it was probably drinks and a lot of Cards Against Humanity, and that was day one.